How to make him worship you. If you're looking to build a strong, lasting relationship with a man, you may have heard the phrase, make him worship you. While the term may sound a bit extreme, the basic idea is that you want to build a relationship with a man that is based on mutual respect, admiration, and love. As an expert in relationships and dating, I can tell you that making a man worship you is not about manipulation or control. Instead, it's about cultivating a strong and healthy relationship based on mutual respect, trust, and love. First and foremost, it's important to be yourself and to communicate openly and honestly with your partner. Show him your authentic self and be transparent about your feelings and desires. This will help build trust and establish a strong emotional connection. Another key factor in making a man worship you is to show appreciation and support for him. Recognize and acknowledge his strengths and accomplishments, and be there for him during difficult times. This will make him feel valued and respected, and will strengthen your bond as a couple. It's also important to prioritize your own needs and interests, and to maintain a healthy sense of independence. Pursue your own goals and hobbies, and encourage your partner to do the same. This will help keep your relationship dynamic and interesting, and will prevent it from becoming stagnant or codependent. In addition, physical intimacy is an important aspect of any relationship. Take the time to explore and satisfy each other's needs, and be open to trying new things. This will help strengthen your emotional and physical connection, and will deepen your bond as a couple. Finally, it's important to be patient and understanding, and to work through any challenges or conflicts together as a team. This will show your partner that you are committed to the relationship and that you value his feelings and needs. In conclusion, making a man worship you is not about playing games or manipulating him. Instead, it's about building a strong and healthy relationship based on mutual respect, trust, and love. By being yourself, showing appreciation and support, maintaining independence, prioritizing physical intimacy, and working through challenges together, you can create a loving and fulfilling relationship that will stand the test of time.